Hello, hello, hello. I am preparing my hair because I want some, what do I want? I think I want some waves in my hair because I'm going to a retirement dinner tonight. I don't know what to expect, but I do know what I want my hair to look like. So what I'm doing right now is just putting some braids in. I just misted it with water. And I just put in some Lotta Body foaming mousse. Wrap Me foaming mousse. Going to put in a little plait. And have about 5 hours before I need to leave home. So I'm going to sit under the dryer here at the salon to make sure that this sets. And then I'm taking my lock loops, taking the lock loops, and I am rolling these plaits. So it's taking me so far 3 minutes to do what I just did, along with my short introduction to you. And I'm going to go ahead and do this one, and then I'll come back when I am finished. Soon. Okay, so I have finished my hair. I've also finished retightening my client's hair before coming back, and I'm just going to do a 360 so you can see what my hair looks like right now before I get under the dryer for about a half hour. And I hope this turns out like I wanted to. See you later.
The district will always be dear to my heart. Congratulations.
There's something good with work in Salon County Department of Social Services, Salon County High School, St. Matthews K-8. Years of service, 31 years and 10 months. Fond memory. The time spent with co-workers during my years at the district office, during my lunchtime at the wonderful celebrations of life events will forever be etched in my mind. My time was definitely well spent as I reminisce of the high school students that touched my life as well as their children. That I was blessed to teach at St. Matthews K-8. My time in Salon County will definitely be time well spent. Congratulations.
Schools worked at the district, Salon County High School for the district office. Years of service, 19 in the district, 31 years total. Fond memory, when two, not one, but two sitting state superintendents visited the school, Salon County High School, to see how we were moving the students academically. So they showed up to the school to see how the great strides that Salon County High School is making. Dr. Wolf, congratulations on your time. Benjamin, schools worked at John Ford Middle School, St. Matthews K-8. Years of service, 30 years. Fond memory, walking the halls of St. Matthews K-8 and the warm greetings from teachers and students. I loved working, keeping things clean, and helping others. And now you did well. Congratulations. All the schools, every single school. Years of service, 19 years. And we talk about fond memory, miss my babies. Miss my babies. Congratulations, Chief Governor. Ms. Guignard, we talked about, once again, schools worked at the district. We have a running theme here, all schools, every school, every school. How many years of service? 30 years. It's a long time in district, 30 years. And as I can't say this enough, when we talk about fond memories, it's a running theme again. Working with everyone, working with everyone. Guignard, congratulations on your retirement. Congratulations.
I just want to say from the Lord, thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't know what we'll do without you, but I do know we're going to move on. And you all know that. You all have helped us lay a great foundation. We'll have people to come in and fill those shoes. I'm sure it'll be difficult going around and not seeing some of you faces. I just wish you the best. Enjoy retirement. I want to come and certainly let you all know how much we appreciate what you've done over the years and wish you the absolute very best in retirement. I hope you have a very long and fruitful retirement where you really, really enjoy life. Thank you again for all that you've done for us. We really, really, really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you to you all for all that you have done to pour into the young people of the school district and making them better people, but also making the community a better place for all of our citizens. Evenings like this remind me of a sentence that I read in Mr. Rogers' book. It says, when you're looking for the end of something, you usually find the beginning of something else. And I look around this room and a lot of you have gone on to retire and you don't have that same look that you did when you left, because you look refreshed. So you found that something else. So I ask that you continue to enjoy life and enjoy those new things that this time has allowed you. And again, certainly thank you for all that you've done for the school district. Again, thank you and good evening.